So this is Jeremy. I just met Jeremy on a retreat with Charis Ministries here in Buffalo, up at Christ the King Seminary. And Jeremy, I know you're very involved with youth ministry, and so you're going to get Almost Christian, which is one of the latest research books from Kenda Cressy-Dean, who's a sociologist, and it talks about the faith of our teenagers and what that is telling the American church. So I hope that you enjoy that, and
a piece of popcorn
you're able
here too.
a piece of popcorn in there. Well, it's probably sitting in my car, and so you have to clean out your life in Lent, Jeremy. That's the whole thing. I know you're very active in young adult ministry in the diocese. Why don't you tell me a little bit about RE?
RE is a new young adult ministry program we've started in Buffalo, New York. The entire diocese is welcome every month as we host a speaker, and we adore our Lord through the Blessed Sacrament and through praise and worship music. And next month, Mike Hayes from GooglingGod.com will be joining us as the keynote speaker for the evening.
That'll be great. And tell me how you're spending your Lent while we're at it.
Spending the Lent, my primary I don't sacrifice so much, but I'm attending Mass every day, and it's been a huge blessing in my life, and really taking Lent to focus on that and focus on what's important, as well as starting my day with prayer, and really focusing on young adult ministry. So.
Very nice. So it's day 30 of the 50-day giveaway, which means there's 20 more to go. I'm getting really good at the math now. So Jeremy, thanks. I hope you enjoy that.
Thanks, Mike.